Your teenage years may be the most challenging and formative times in your life. It's important during this time that you develop good habits and a healthy mentality. By becoming a good girl, you can have an easier home and school life while bringing out your best self.
Before we going to know, do subscribe to my channel. Like, share and follow my Facebook page.
Let's know how to be a good girl. Become your own best friend. Don't treat yourself the way you wouldn't treat a friend. This means no more insulting yourself when you look in the mirror, setting harsh dieting rules, or beating yourself up when you make a mistake. If it would be mean to treat a friend that way, then stop treating yourself that way. Wear what makes you comfortable. Don't worry about trends or fashion rules. Choose clothes that make you look good and feel confident and comfortable. It's usually good to wear something you can move around in. Take good care of your body. Treat it with respect and look after your health. Work fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and fruits into your diet. Get plenty of sleep and relaxation. Find ways to make exercise fun, like dancing, swimming, walks with loved ones, and backyard sports. Make the most out of your free time. Your free time is precious, so use it for what matters most to you. Engage in your favorite hobbies, read good books, and hang out with people you love. To shake things up, make a list of all the things you'd like to try someday. Then start trying them. Celebrate your mind. Just as you're growing physically and emotionally, you're also growing intellectually. Try reading books from different genres, from classics to science fiction. Try hobbies from arts and sciences. What is fun to you? There is a chance to win an iPhone. Be sure like this video, subscribe to this channel with the post notification, and leave a comment. At this end of the month we will pick another lucky winner to win an iPhone. Make sure you guys are active on this channel. Be mindful of your media exposure. The media can have discouraging messages, such as hypersexuality, mean behavior, and rude and incorrect stereotypes. This is not healthy. Surround yourself with media that celebrates your values and the type of person you want to be. Let yourself struggle sometimes. Even the kindest, most cheerful people have bad days sometimes. It's okay to feel sad, get a bad grade on a test, or lose your cool every once in a while. Being good does not mean you have to be perfect, and people will understand that. Find inspiration for being good. Maybe this means talking to a loved one who inspires you, going to a religious or volunteering group, reading a book that exemplifies your values, or even rereading this article. When you feel lost or uncertain, it can remind you of your purpose and the way you want to live your life. Offer help at home. When you see your parents or siblings looking like they need help, say, "Is there anything I can do to help you?" Open doors for them, help carry things. Little things can make a big difference. Keep your space clean. Clean your room and any messes that you make around the house. If you see messes that are not yours, you can still help clean them up. Sweep, vacuum, put away clutter and dirty clothes, and clean things like windows and mirrors. Thanks for watching it. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos.
There is more video you can see in the end screen. You will like those videos. Just click and watch those videos. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay safe.